Good. And we're back at the top of Snake Creek. Okay.
Dad, is that you?
Who?
Daddy, would you like some?
Okay, you ready? We're just gonna go get in the trees. How you doing?
Fair, good.
It's good pow day, huh?
Yeah.
My leg though, I'll tell you already, homie. Holy cow. I tell you what. Coming through your right. Coming in. Dropping. Wow, slash.
Try not to do that.
Right? Well, we did it. That's okay.
We lived.
Sorry,
We lived.
Dad.
Oh shit, bro. At least he has a shovel. Homie almost hit that tree. Look at his wedge right there. He's like, I'm gonna live today. All right, we're in a different spot, babe. Hold on. That's okay. That's okay. Shit, shit. It's all right, dear. Und you have this, Fräulein. Oh, come on, tree, don't break. Little tree. Don't break, little tree. Thank you, little tree. Slash, slash, and dash. Boom, boom. Oh, fresh pow here. Pow, pow, pow. Pow. Pow, pow, pow. Huh, pow. Woo! Yeah. Oh, gnarly, babe. I know. No, I don't want to do that. But I want to do this. With me, Radel? Okay, here's my line. Come on, get up there. Get up there.
Oh shit.
Here, give me. Come on. There you go. Here you go. Hey, go ahead. I'll film it. Yeah. Getting it. Hell yeah. That's hot. Hell yeah. I see you. Oh, she's hard charging.
Oh shit. I'm fucked.
No, 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 hold on.
I'm gonna turn around. No, I'm gonna
Let's look at your line.
play. Why'd I do that? I got got it. I'm going down this way. I see it out.
Let's make sure. I'm gonna stay high. Avalanche. That's me. She probably made it. Let's go. Let's go. Oh shit. It's my turn to make it. Radel. Radel. Copy. She's hauls. She's great. Here she is. Should we? Should we? It's inevitable. You're awesome, Heart Charger. Shit, why'd I go this way? I don't ever go this way. Let's go this way. I wasn't scared, I just don't want to get caught in the flats. Coming out. Yes, you're welcome. Oh. Hey, maybe move your snowboard, okay? Move your snowboard. Thanks, bud. Thanks.